In this video, I'm going to show you 2 easy lock styles for old lock curls on your lazy days. Materials you'll need: a stretchy elastic band, water, not too much water, just a little water, and a scarf. To get the messy bun, simply flip all your hair forward, gather it into a bunch. You're going to take this stretchy elastic band. I just tie it twice. Keep it nice and loose, not too tight, and just tuck in the extra curls, kind of within the curls, under the band. It's up to you. You can tuck in around the band if you'd like to keep it loose. Sometimes you can just tuck it in the curls, and that's pretty much it. Very easy, carefree. You can even take down a tendril or two, a curl or two, for extra added effect if that's what you want to do. This is pretty much the style that I sleep in. It's the style that I shower in to get all the hair under the shower cap. It kind of keeps the curls from being too crushed when you sleep and keeps them from getting soaked in the shower if you wear like 5 shower caps like I do. Keeps them out of the way, keeps them dry for the most part. And it just involves tucking. Basically tucking in the curls into the elastic band that you've tied over just twice, keeping it loose. And that's the messy bun. You can put a little bit of oil around your edges if you desire. And if you have frizzy hair like me, a little bit of water to help kind of wrap the loose hairs around the lock and to combat some of the frizz. This next style that I'm going to do after I pull this band out of my messy lock bun hair is a style with an attempt to get some lock bangs. This style was inspired by Rosie the Riveter. It's a great style to kind of cover up a big forehead if you've got a big forehead like mine. All you're going to do is gather a handful of hair, or as much or as little hair as you want, and just gather it, fold it over, and then you're going to take your scarf holding that fold over that you did, and you're just going to wrap it, tie it around to secure your lock bang and make the style. You're going to pull forward and pluck forward your curls to cover up your forehead if you'd like, or just to get the type of bang you're looking for. You can also detangle your curls and style or fluff or tuck in curls that may have gotten a little crushed and just kind of make it what you want it to be. It's much easier to style your hair when it's curled, so take full advantage. I didn't have time to tuck in my side ends from the bangs, but you definitely should if you do have time. And that's it, the Rosie the Riveter look. Thanks again for watching.